Next up here, innovative with the LED Night Rider kit, 2016 brand new GMC Sierra Denali. I've got the wireless remote right here in hand. Turn it on and off. Now we're going to change up the patterns. The LED Night Rider kit is compatible with most vehicles. Give us a call, set up an appointment. 214-320-5500. Multicolored, multi-patterned. It also has the ability to slow down and speed up. Here I'm gradually slowing it down until it gets to its slowest point, and then it goes up to its fastest. And there it is, 2016 GMC Sierra Denali. We'll see you guys on the next one.